Hey everyone, if you are seeing the PS4 error code NW3130855 while connecting to the internet, then this video is going to show you the exact fixes that are working in 2026. Now this particular error is usually caused by the network communication issues. So first of all, you need to turn off your PS4 using power and then turn off PS4 option. After that, you just have to unplug your router as well, then wait for at least 1 minute. After 1 minute, simply turn the router back on first, then wait until the internet is stable and then turn on your PS4 and try again. Now, if the issue still persists, you can also refresh the network settings. For that, you just have to open the settings. Over here, look for the option of network. Inside network, simply select the option of setting. Inside setting, look for the option of setup internet connection. Now you need to choose Wi-Fi or LAN and then you need to simply connect it by entering your password again. This particular step is going to reset any of the incorrect network settings. Now MTU issues can also cause this specific error. For that, when you are inside setup internet connection option, you just have to look for the option of custom. Now here inside custom, you need to proceed with automatic settings like MTU and then you need to set it to 1473 or 1450. After that, simply finish the setup and test your connection. So you can try these easy troubleshooting methods and see if your PS4 is working again properly. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.